fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and welcome to another video. So we're back in Portmore, St. Catherine. Gonna give you guys an update on mainly the Fontana Business Center, Fontana Pharmacy, that's under construction. It's right beside Price Mart. So it's in the Portmore Pines area. Just a quick video, quick update for you guys. Alright, so a lot of development happening this side of Portmore. This area is pretty close to where they did that beryllium robbery at the Scotia Bank. When I set up the drone, I'll show you guys the Scotia Bank. So very busy area, a lot of development. Over here we also have the G-Tech Park, which is a BPO or a call center park. They have 3 buildings. Building 1 and 2 is finished, and they have started building 3, so they're wasting no time. Alright, so that's the G-Tech Park, developed by Robert Twani, a businessman here in Kingston. Millions of dollars spent. The main client over there now is IBEX. So that's a call center. So you know the name for a call center is a BPO, business process outsourcing. So for example, you call Amazon or AT&T, then possibly someone sitting over here will answer that call and assist you with your question or your concern. So a lot of employees as well, because you know all these 3 buildings are 1, 2, 3, 4 floors, lots of seats. So it's a lot of jobs right here in Portmore. A lot of other call center in Portmore as well. And as I mentioned, they finished 1, 2, and they're on building number 3. And again, I'll set up the drone and give you guys a quick tour of the area. Right beside it as well is a multi-million-dollar Plaza. They have taken some time to work on this plaza. They're almost finished now though. I think it's a lot of money spent, because the quality and the quality of the finishes as well on this plaza is pretty good. So I know a lot of money spent. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 floors in some areas. Even the lights are very unique at night. They're very pretty. They look very luxurious. I haven't seen these fancy lights at no other plaza. It's not very wide but pretty long. And the Scotia Bank is across the road right there. The same Scotia Bank. And then the police station is not far as well. So a lot of persons were saying, you know, they did that daring robbery so close to the police station. So I'll show you guys where the police station is in comparison to the Scotia Bank. On this stretch is the new Portmore Municipal building as well. It's not yet open, so I'll start from that building. So the Portmore Municipal Council building, then I'll go to the police station and Price Mart, then Fontana Pharmacy that's under construction, and then we'll reach into the intersection right here. Right, and then from the intersection it's basically Sovereign North Plaza, Scotia Bank, Portmore Pines, Total Gas Station. Yeah, so I'll just do a quick tour of the area from a drone view for you guys. So stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't yet done so. And we're gonna set up the drone in a second or two.